this video, you will see exactly how I sketch a lip from the beginning to the final result. If you want to learn all the details of this section, stay with me until the end of the video. As I mentioned in previous sessions about drawing the nose, eyes and eyebrows using guidelines, today we are going to talk about drawing the lips. Just like the eyes and eyebrows, lips come in different types. The front view lip, the three-quarter view lip, and the profile lip. This one is a front view lip, where the entire lip is visible. This one is the three-quarter view lip, and the profile lip shows just half a lip. Today we focus on drawing lips, so let us begin. There are different methods for drawing lips. The easiest way to quickly sketch a lips is by using helper circles. I drew 3 helper circles in this arrangement. Then I connect different parts of the circles like this to form the shape of the lips. This is one of the easiest way to draw lips quickly and from imagination. Another method which is more precise than the previous one, when I draw these 3 circles, I also add helper ellipses next to these circles. The ellipses are equal in size and are drawn like this. Then I connect these ellipses and circles together in this way. This method is a bit more accurate than the previous one and shows the lip shape more clearly. These 2 methods are for when you want to draw lip quickly and make a quick sketch. The next method we use for drawing lips is similar to our previous lessons using guidelines. We sketch the lips using guidelines. First, I draw a chart-like structure as a base for drawing the lips. Now for the different lip types. As we said, the front view lip is completely visible from the front. And to draw a front view lip on the chart, the crosshair line passes right through the middle of the lips. So I start drawing the lips like this. This lip is a front view lip. In the case of a 3/4 view lip, the vertical axis of my chart shifts a bit to the right or left, depending on the angle of the lips. As you can see in the 3/4 view, it looks as though the lips have turned either to the right or to the left, and because of this, one part of the lips appear smaller than the other part. So one side becomes larger and one side becomes smaller. We sketch the 3/4 view lip accordingly. We draw the smaller side, and the upper lip is not like a normal lip. It's a millimeter fuller because as the lip turns, its shape changes and it looks smaller. This is the lip in a 3/4 view. In the profile view, where only one section of the lips is visible, when I draw the chart, the vertical line shifts a bit and we can only see one part of the lip, and the profile lip is drawn in this way. These are 3 methods for sketching lips. The first method uses circle, the second method uses helper ellipses, basic the circles, and the third method uses a chart to outline the lips. Now I will draw a lip to point out an important details. This is a front view lip. All the lines inside the lip, those little wrinkles inside the lips, and lead toward the center of the lip. That means if you want to draw the lip wrinkles, the wrinkles starting from the center line go outward, and the lines at the top and bottom of the lips move toward the center line of the lips. When the lips are closed, the darkest line is the center line in the lips, and this applies to all closed lips. Also, the upper lip has more wrinkles than the lower lip. If you look closely at reference models, you will see how these upper lip wrinkles appear, and usually the upper lip looks a bit darker because of the higher number of wrinkles. For live and quick sketch, we use this lip drawing method. Another point you must pay attention to when you sketch lips, the outer outline should not be too dark and prominent. And when you shade, make sure these lines are soft and blended. In portrait drawing, we never draw the lip outlines completely dark with a pencil. Instead, we build the form and volume of the lips through shading. You also need to keep this in mind when drawing and shading the lips. Much like eyelash, move your hand inside the curve, meaning my shading should be done so that my hand stays within that specific section of the lips we are shading. By shading and keeping the edge of the lips soft without harsh outlines, we can give volume to the lip. Now, to draw a pair of lips from a model, I use guidelines to sketch the lips from the source. For the guidelines, we draw vertical lines from both sides of the lips to mark the outer corners. And if it's a front view model, we draw a line down the middle of the lips to ensure symmetry. If the lips are open so the teeth are visible, we also need to consider some lines for the teeth. For example, look at this model. Besides this, the vertical lines marking the start and end of the lips, inside the lips where the inner lip is located, vertical lines should be drawn there as well. For horizontal line, we have the line across the top of the lips, the bottom of the lips, and a line in the middle connecting and two corner of the mouth. Now, if the mouth is open, like in this photo, the line of the teeth must also be drawn horizontally, and the line for the tongue or lower teeth must be included among the horizontal line. As you can see on the diagram, the number of vertical lines is greater than in the previous case, and the horizontal lines are also more numerous than is closed. So let me give a quick general review about the lip, and finally we will work on the lip models together. To draw quick sketches of lips, we have three approaches. One, using 3 circles to draw the lips quickly. One, connecting those circle shapes. Lip drawn using circle and 4 equal size ellipses, which is more precise than the previous one. And the method where lips are outlined using a chart. The type of lips include the front view lip, the 3/4 view lip, and the profile lip. In the front view model, we view them straight on, and the sides of the lips are symmetrical. In the 3/4 view, one side of the lips is smaller than the opposite side, and in the profile view, only one portion of the lips is visible. Regarding lip shading, we shade the forms and avoid drawing dark, harsh outlines around the lips. The outer edge of the lips should not look stark and obvious, and we define the volume and boundaries of the lip using shading. All the lines and wrinkles of the lips must also lead toward the center. This includes the line from the upper lip wrinkles and the lower lip lines. The center line of the lips is always the darkest part when the lips are closed. As for guidelines, just like in previous lessons, we have horizontal and vertical lines that change, and varies number depending on whether the lip is front view, profile, or 3/4 view. These 2 lip models are the ones I will demonstrate using guidelines in the next video. To draw these, very thin lines must be used. Even drawn with a mechanical pencil, these lines should not be obvious and dark. If this tutorial was helpful to you, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tutorial. Painting is a skill, and every video brings you one step closer to a professional level. Good luck, and join me in the upcoming tutorials.